Hi, in this video we can learn how to find the words in the Google Chrome browser itself. Okay, so open a Google Chrome browser and go to google.com and now press just a hi word here and click on this three dots option and now press find option here. You can see there is one small search window. It is come here and type hi here. We can see there are total number of font as 49 and out of that one here as hi word here, and similarly we can see there are 49 words here with it match contains hi here. Hi, in this video you are going to learn how to use the home button in Google Chrome. Okay, so here we can see there is no home button shown here as of now. Okay, so let's go to this three dots option and click on settings and click on appearance. Here you can see show home button as disabled, so click on enable. Now it has shown two options as a new tab page, or we can give the URL. As of now I given as www.google.com as URL. Okay, so if I select this radio button now here, if you click on this home button, it directly redirect to Google page. Okay, so if you want to make it as a new tab page, okay, for that again go to for settings and click on appearance and click on new tab page. Now you can see if you click on this home button, it has opened a new tab and it won't redirect to google.com website. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Please see description for more videos and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.